Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. This is Quick Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your Garena account. So let's get started and see how that can be done. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and search for www.garena.sg and hit enter. You will then land on the official website of Garena. To sign up, click on account at the upper right corner of your screen. It will redirect you to the login page. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your username or email or phone. Then on the next field you can enter your password and click on login now to log in. But to create a new account, you will need to click on register a new account option. Now for the registration, enter a username of your choice, enter a password, re-enter the password to confirm it. Now on the next field, enter a valid email address. Then select your country code and enter your mobile number. Next, you will need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number. Click on get code to receive it. Once you receive your code, type it in. Then select your country from this drop down menu. After all that is done, click on the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After that, click on register now, and finally you have created a Garena account. Now you can click on login now to log into the Garena account you have just created. Enter your Garena username or your email address or your phone number. Then enter your password and click on login now. Finally, you'll be logged in to your Garena account. So this is how you can create your Garena account. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Quick Guide. We'll be back with more such videos and I'll see you soon.